Good morning, Year 3. Happy Wednesday. It's Miss Everingham here for your Destination Reader lesson. Today we are continuing to read The Genius by Dick King Smith. I hope you are enjoying the story so far. The genius is in the extract at the end of the book, The Hodgehog. An extract is just the first few chapters of a book to give you an idea of what the book is going to be like. Today in our lesson, look out for keywords in red, questions for you to answer in blue, and writing time in green. In our lesson today, you're going to need a copy of the story, a strategy prompt sheet, and a pencil and a piece of paper or your home learning book. Press pause while you gather these things and press play when you're ready to continue. Fantastic work. So we are reading The Genius by Dick King Smith. We will continue with strategy number 3, which is inference. Inference means to read between the lines to look for clues. Remember, you're being detectives and looking for the clues to piece together that are in the book to help you answer the inference questions that I'm going to be asking you in today's lesson. There are some words that we need to understand first. The first keyword is my turn, sow, your turn. My turn, sow, your turn. Great work. A sow is an adult female pig. The second word, my turn, boar, your turn. My turn, boar, your turn. A boar is an adult male pig. The third keyword is regret. My turn, regret, your turn. My turn, regret, your turn. Regret is a feeling sad about something in the past that you wish you could have been different. So feeling sad about something in the past you wish could have been different or that you could have changed. Look out for these key words as we read the book today. Again, I'm going to be asking 1 mark and 2 mark questions. You need to check the question to see if you need to give 1 mark or 2 mark answers. Altogether, a 1 mark question needs a short, snappy answer. Fantastic. A 1 mark question needs a short, snappy answer. I wonder if before I skip to the next slide, you can guess what a 2 mark question is. My turn. A 2 mark question needs a PE answer. Point and evidence. Your turn. Fantastic. Oh, there were some of you who guessed it before I even said it. Well done. Okay, let's begin reading. We are at the top of chapter 2 of the extract at the back of The Hodgehog. The chapter is called An Unexpected Arrival. Pause the video while you find that and press play when you're ready to start reading. Fantastic work. Let's get started. An unexpected arrival. You have got a lot of brains, said Judy. As always, she had run down to the shed at the bottom of the garden the moment she arrived home from school to see her own 2 guinea pigs. I have a question for you. How did Judy feel about seeing her guinea pigs when she arrived home? Oh, how many marks is this question? That's right, 2 marks. So I need a PE answer with a point and evidence. Listen as I work out the answer and think aloud. How did Judy feel about seeing her guinea pigs when she arrived home? I think Judy felt excited about seeing her guinea pigs because she had run down to see them as soon as she arrived home. I have a point. I think Judy felt excited. I've got evidence. I've said because she'd run down, and see, I have in red underlined words from the text to support, to show that she was excited. If you run down as soon as you arrive home somewhere, that sounds like you're pretty excited to do something. Now it's your time to have a go. Pause the video while you write your answer and then press play when you're ready to continue. Well done. Have you got a 2-mark answer? Have you started off your sentence with I think? Have you said how you think Judy feels? I think Judy feels happy to see her guinea pigs, excited, really keen to see them. Have you got because and evidence about why you think she feels that way? Have you included words taken straight from the book? Fantastic. You must have 2-mark answer. Give yourself 2 ticks or press pause while you fix up your answer. Well done. Let's keep reading. We are halfway down the page on Chapter 2, the first page of Chapter 2. Starting on the sentence, one was. Press pause while you find that part if you need, and then press play when you're ready to read. Great, let's go. One was a reddish rough-haired boar called Joe, and the other was a smooth-coated white sow by the name of Molly. Judy had had them ever since her 6th birthday, nearly 2 years ago, and they were very dear to her. I have another question. How old is Judy now, and how do you know? This is a 2-mark question, so you need to say how old she is and how you know that. Say your answer out loud and then make a note on the piece of paper or book in front of you. Press pause while you work out your answer and press play when you're ready to check. Great work. Let's see if you had the same as me. How old is Judy now, and how do you know? I think Judy is almost 8 because she got her guinea pigs on her 6th birthday nearly 2 years ago. If she was 6 2 years ago, she must be almost 8. If you said what you thought about her age and then why, give yourself 2 marks. If you need to pause the video to fix up your answer, do that now and then press play when you're ready to keep reading. Well done. Let's keep going. We're on page 2 of chapter 2 at the sentence, her only regret. Pause while you find that place and then press play when you're ready to read. Her only regret was that surprisingly they had never had babies. You have got brains, she said. I'm sure of it. It's just that no one's ever taught you to use them. Now, if I'd had you when you were tiny, I bet I could have taught you lots of things. If only you'd had children of your own. I'd have chosen one of them and kept it and really trained it from a very early age. I bet I could have done. Okay, one last question for you. Why did Judy wish Joe and Molly, the guinea pigs, had children? Why did Judy wish they had children? This is a 1-mark question. So what sort of answer do you have to give? Yes, a short, snappy answer. Say your answer out loud and then make a note of your ideas on your piece of paper. If you're not sure, go back and read the last few sentences I just read to help you work it out. Press play when you're ready to check your answer. Great work, Year 3. Let's see if you had something similar to me. Why did Judy wish Joe and Molly had children? Judy wished she could have trained the child guinea pig to show that it had a brain. You know, in the book, how she says, I bet I could have taught you lots of things. If only you'd had children of your own, I'd have chosen one of them and kept it and really trained it from an early age. So we're using the clues. We know poor Judy was made fun of at school because she thought that guinea pigs had brains. And if Joe and Molly had children, she would have been able to train up that child and show it had a brain. Did you have a short, snappy answer like I did in green there on the screen? Fantastic work. Press pause if you need to fix up your answer, or press play if you're ready, and then press play when you're ready to continue. Okay, fantastic. Well, we have reached the end of the part we're reading today. Tomorrow, we're going to continue to read The Genius by Dick King-Smith and make inferences. Find the clues in the book to help us answer questions. Now, on your paper in front of you, make a prediction about what you think is going to happen next in the book. Remember, a prediction is a good, educated guess based on what we already know that's happened in the book and what we know about the characters. Make a prediction about what you think is going to happen next in the book. Fantastic work. Well, thank you, Year 3, for, again, working really hard in today's reading lesson. I will see you tomorrow on Thursday, and we will keep reading then. Have a good day. Bye.